Okay, so this is called, I think it's called Black and White. So we're gonna actually go check it out. It looks pretty cool. So okay, there's a sign right there, Black and White. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here's Black and White, so you can see the name, and it has a pretty cool, looks like there's an upstairs and a downstairs as well, so it's nice little spot. And we're gonna go in and I'll show you what it looks like in the inside, and then you can also see what it looks like on the outside. So yeah, Black and White. Pretty big menu too. So I'll just kind of see a little bit more on the exterior, and then we're gonna go inside. This is this street in particular. So there's another entrance here. It's open till 2 in the morning. Opens at 7 in the morning. 7 in the morning. Okay, let's go inside and check it out. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Extra? Thank you. Extra. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Extra? Thank you. Extra. Chiquinha.